Question: the point x comma y lies on the line 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. The point x comma y lies on the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. The smallest value of the quantity, square root of x square plus y square is m. Then the value of root 13 m is the question. See, so this is x-axis, y-axis, this is the origin. Suppose this is the point px comma y. If you join this origin and p, the line joining OP makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, and distance between origin to P is r. Then it's a fixed point. 0, 0 is a fixed point. Theta is the angle made by the line OP with the positive direction of x-axis is theta, and distance between the fixed point and variable point is r. From parametric equation of the straight line, x minus 0 by cos theta is equals to y minus 0 by sin theta is equals to r. That is x equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. So x comma y coordinates are r cos theta, r sin theta. So see, if you find this distance, OP distance is equals to what? Under root of x square plus y square. That is, OP is equals to what? Under root of x square plus y square is equals to what? R. That is equals to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. That is equals to what? Square root of r square into 1. That is r. So OP distance is r. So this x coordinate and y coordinate means this x coordinate and y coordinates are what? X equal to what? R cos theta, y is r sin theta, r cos theta and r sin theta. So the smallest value of this quantity means what? If you find this distance between origin and x comma y is what? Distance is what? X square plus y square. Here x square plus y square is equals to what? R. The distance between origin and x comma y is what? Under root of x square plus y square. What is the question? The smallest value of r we need to find. Therefore r minimum is the question. But x comma y lies on this straight line is given. X comma y lies on this straight line, 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Therefore x comma y satisfies that equation. Therefore x comma y lies on 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 on this line. That is 2 into what is x? R cos theta plus 3 into r sin theta is equals to 6. So from here r is equals to what? 6 by 2 cos theta plus 3 sin theta. So this is our r. What is our requirement? R minimum. R minimum is under root x square plus y square is minimum. Here r is under root x square plus y square, but our r in terms of theta we got this one. Therefore r minimum is a requirement. So when you get r minimum is equals to, this 6 is a constant, 2 cos theta plus 3 sin theta maximum, because numerator is constant. This is applicable only when numerator is constant. If numerator is also variable, then we cannot say like this, because numerator is here constant. That's why r minimum is equals to 6 by this maximum. If we divide the constant with maximum value, output is minimum. Therefore what is the maximum value of this one? Therefore r minimum is equals to maximum value of this one is equal to what? Under root of a square plus b square. That is the basic formula from trigonometry. A cos theta plus b sin theta lies between minus of under root a square plus b square to a square plus b square. 9. That is 6 by root 13. So our minimum is 6 by root 13 we got. But the question is what? The question is, if minimum is m, means m we got as 6 by root 13. Therefore, that implies small m is equal to minimum is 6 by root 13. Then the question is what? Then the question is root 13 times m is equals to is the question. Therefore, root 13 times m is what? 6 by root 13. Therefore, root 13 cancel. Answer is equal to what? 6. So this is the solution for this question. Option is what? B. This is the